Okay, team, we're going to talk about my favorite, which is candlesticks, also known as price action. My VIP team, they already know how much I stress about price action, and we definitely go into particular patterns that I like to trade. However, you need to understand what you're looking at, and that's why we are here. So the candle on the left is a buy candle. As you can see, there's an arrow going up, and the candle on the right is a sell candle, which is an arrow going down. In TradingView, these will automatically be in green and red. I changed my colors just because I wanted to, but this is what it looks like. So now we're looking at a buy candle, which is here to the left, and you can see this right here is called the body. Okay, the shaded in area is the body. This point of the candle is where it opened. This point is where it closed. This wick, and not all candles have wicks, is an area, where the market attempted to reach but was unable to do so. The sellers tried to push the market down, but they were unable to do so, and the buyers took basically one, okay? And it opened, and same thing here with the close. The market tried to close here, so the buyers were pushing the market up. It was unable to close at this level. However, it did close higher than where it opened. Okay, so this is progress. This is bullish progress. So the close of a buy candle is here. The open of a buy candle is here. These are called wicks. These play a very significant role at areas of resistance, support, trend lines, market structure. They usually serve as a sign of rejection. So when you look at retests, if you see these type of rejections at these levels, it's usually an indication that the market will continue going up in this case, if it's at a support level, and down if it's at a resistance level. Does that happen all the time? No, but that's typically how that works. So with the sell candle, we can see that it opens at the top, it closes at the bottom. As you can see, this one has a wick, so the market attempted, the buyers attempted to push the market up here, but they were unable to do so. The sellers took control, and you can see where the sellers were trying to push it down. However, they were unable to have the market or this candle close here, and it closed right here, okay? So you definitely need to understand these. Please, please, please study these, understand these. These are Japanese candlesticks. I don't know if there's still an app called Japanese Candlesticks Patterns. That's a really cool app. Otherwise, I'm gonna just leave some here for you. But I want you guys to really pay attention to this. Don't look past it. So let's go to the next. So again, you can see this is the candle high for the bearish candle going down. This is the open, the close, and the low. Same thing, just different picture, not as huge. All right. Now we're going to look at some candlestick patterns. We have our bearish engulfing, which typically means the market will push down, especially if it's at like a level of resistance. We have this sign right here where the bullish, the bears are losing their power. Excuse me, there's some rejection here. My apologies. There's an uptrend. And if you see these at a resistance level, this may be an indication of going down. But these are certain price action candles that can really help you make some money. The most common are dojis, which are indecision candles, and those typically occur at a level of support, resistance, or a trend line. Whenever you get those are really, really, really strong indications of a reversal in the market, or a push down or push up, or an impulse going to occur. So I definitely want you to see if you can locate some dojis at your support area and see what happens in the market once it hits your levels. Hammers are also one of my favorites. I call these Thor hammer. It's just how I remember them. It looks like Thor's hammer. These are really, really awesome, especially if you see them at like a level of support or resistance. These are like another reversal. Evening Star and Morning Star are really good candlestick patterns as well to study. Shooting stars, these are all really, really good. Okay, so I want you to sit there and try to at least locate 3 of these candlestick patterns by a level of support or resistance or a trend line, and see what the market does from there. And I want you to test this with one pair and continue to test it and see what happens. If you notice that there is a pattern every time this particular candlestick formation hits your levels, then that's something that you want to use as an indicator to confirm your analysis on your trade direction and where it's going. Again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.